Since starting a garden this season, I've been back and forth. I purchased a grapevine, and it was after that I noticed that my neighbors had these vines growing over my fence. So the first thing I did was hop on Pinterest to see, can you propagate grapevines? And like any good neighbor would do, I grabbed my scissors, went out back, found a really beautiful piece of vine, and brought it inside. So, based on the information that I was able to gather, you are able to propagate grapevines. And so, what I saw had them dried out. They looked more like sticks, whereas this one is pretty fresh. But I'm going to go ahead and give this one a try, anyways. So, I believe you can grow it also just in water, but I'm going to go ahead and plant mine right into the dirt. So, I'm just making a hole so that I can stick the vine down off into the hole. And then I just filled it with dirt and packed it all in so that my vine was standing up nice and tall. And then after that, I just added some water and set it outside. And so we will see what happens here with the propagation of this grapevine. If you follow me on Instagram, you will definitely be in the loop and updated. And if not, I guess you'll just have to wait for an updated video on how propagating grapevines actually turns out. Thanks for stopping by.